everybody, and welcome back to the Vanilla Experience with me, Grandpa Gray. And we're down here at Y level 15, our iron level, and we just smelted up our first iron, but we need more, and I need more stone. So I'm gonna raise the roof first, and again, my primary goal is to get the resources to make the walls, so the cobble is the resource, but secondary is iron for armor and tools. Now, I do have the mods in that allow me to make tools with the copper and with the emeralds as well. So if push comes to shove, we will do that as well. I'm hoping that we can do this. If I remember right, there is a hammer that I can use for mining. If I have the right mod in, I'll have to look. But I have to find either iron or copper in order to do that. So let me take a look at our stuff here. COP. Copper. There's copper. Yeah. Okay, I'm not seeing. I had another mod in. This one lets me do the tools, regular ones, but I'm not seeing the hammer. Let me see. Emeralds. What is that? Emerald. Okay, same thing here. Storage. You can merge chests together. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, well, apparently I don't have that mod in. I'm going to go look for that mod because I want to be able to mine out a bigger section faster. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back, and I got the hammer mod in. It's called Only Hammers. Yeah, it makes sense. Wooden hammers, stone hammers, iron hammers. We're going to go with stone. Okay, so it's 3 sticks, 2 cobbles. Okay. We'll make a couple of those to work with. I really need to get rid of the flowers. Alright, let me change this up a little bit. Hold on a minute. I want to block that off because this hammer that we're looking at making is going to break a 3x3 area. I don't know how long the cobblestone or the stone one will last. Throw those flowers out. And because this is going to be a 3x3, I want to hit it right there. Yes. And because we're mainly looking at the stone, I can get behind this. Because like I said, we're really, it's not going to last very long, but we are wanting to get as much stone as possible. And it already died. Okay. but it was cheap enough to make. And I can't pick up all of this. Maybe I can. Or maybe I can't. I think we're going to need to make some chests. Sounds like a strategy to me. I guess I could make an iron one because I do have the 2 iron ingots. In other words, I can make an iron hammer. Get rid of those flowers as well. All right. I'm going to put my chest over here. And I'm going to put my cobble in here because that's important. And then I'm going to put my other stuff, non-important stuff. Well, I mean, not that the diamond isn't important, right? The other blocks and stuff is what I'm getting at. Don't need the ladders anymore. I might hold on to the dirt. Don't need the gray gamer. Grandpa Gray heads. Let's go ahead and make a iron hammer. I think it will last a little bit longer than it. What? There is not an iron hammer? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's like expensive. That's expensive too. Lapis? Okay, maybe not so expensive. Redstone? Diamonds takes blocks? Oh man. Okay, now obsidian, we gotta have enough, I mean, that's not bad if we had a diamond. Wow, okay. Well, now that we know, we will go back to our stone. Our stone, yeah. I'm going to make 2 of them. Why not? Oh, might as well go down here and collect what I can. Remember, the goal still is to get more iron. Get a couple of these made up anyway. And like I said, we'll collect up the resources that we need. I am going to collect everything because we need everything. I'm going to vein mine the copper. Thank you very much. I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to put a torch down and superficially fill it in. There we go. Iron is our friend. Looking around, any iron, any. Already used our hammer. We are going to go up to the surface. There we go. Now we're talking. Iron, vein mine it. Yes, please. Fill in the floor. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got a cave situation here I think I'm not going to worry about. And that I'm just going to let it go. Sometimes you got to know when to walk away. But speaking of walking away, let's see how much. Okay, we got 8 iron and some copper. The copper, is there a copper hammer? No, probably not. Okay, that's cool. And this is not activating that other mod, the one that I get stuff when I break regular blocks, i.e. redstone, lapis, and even diamonds. So maybe, just maybe, it might be worth doing some regular old-fashioned mining technique. There we go, some redstone. If I can get enough redstone or enough lapis, then I could theoretically make a redstone or lapis hammer and see how long that lasts. I'm going to go ahead and smelterate the iron and get the copper going as well. And I'm going to let that cook up. But while that's cooking up, I'm going to head up and I'll meet you guys up there. Okay, the thought also hit me when I was thinking about doing this that I probably should trap, because I should trap some villagers in their houses, because I don't really have these other areas lit up inside what's going to be the perimeter, and I don't want them all to die. You know what I mean? So stair step it down. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. Let's see. Let's go back a little bit. Okay, we got to come clear down to here. And I put a mark, waypoint, temporary waypoint there. And then that way I know where I need to, how far I need to go to make the turn. I know this isn't quite right, but I'm going to go with it until I figure it out exactly. And I see that this is taking a steeper drop to the down to the water, which I totally understand. Like I said, I'm probably stacking this way higher than needs to be, but I'd rather be safe, or my villagers to be safe, than sorry. And it's not on the same line, but it's good. That waypoint I made, talking about. And believe me, we are going to be utilizing a lot of this space. So than we needed to. All right, let's check our map again. Well, not by much. I mean, I wanted to incorporate these huts into it. So, yeah. How are we going to do this, though? Just put a wall up, and then that way, if mobs want to get in through the water, they have to swim in to do it. Not saying they won't or can't, I'm just saying make it harder on them. And I know it's a little bit dark under here, and I'm not really putting up torches around like I should be, but exciting stuff. Those bees popping out of the beehive are driving me crazy. Oh, I'll take it. Yes, please. Emeralds. Nice. And let's see if we can make a workstation. And I need to make a axe to go with my pickaxe, so I can chop some trees that are blocking my road. But I'm gonna go over here, like I said, to the other, back to the other side, and have to dig our way up here. See here, what am I running into? Snow. Why am I running into snow over here? That is what is weird. I'll take the eggs. I don't want to walk in snow, but I have my leather boots on, so I'm okay as far as not falling into the snow. Okay, I got to get up top here so we can find out where we left off with the fence from before. I'm still in the village. Please tell me I'm still in the village. Okay. Kind of on the far side of it, right? Is that the fence right there? Yes. Okay then. Here we go. Let's sleep. Be smart. Okay, I'm running out of walls yet again, but we will use what we have while we have it. Cutting a pathway through here. Trying to make it so the mobs can't walk over the wall. And collect a little bit of dirt in process. Because, you know, dirt walls. No, there's no such thing as dirt walls. But there could be, or there should be. Okay. How are we doing now? Take a look. Okay, that gives me an indication that there's fence there. We're just not see. I guess it's on there very palely. All right, so I basically just need to keep going straight and then curve down. But guess what? You know, I'm going to say it. I'm out of time yet again for this episode. And that's the sign I put up for the town, Grayton. And whose place did I take over? Not that one. Somebody's house I took over. Maybe it was this guy? Nope. This is my place now. A quote expanded place. I still got to put a roof on this and stuff. I know I was going to get, I had to check, but you know, you have to check to make sure you don't have more flowers on you. Eggs, potatoes, redstone, emeralds, and I got more saplings. I'll plant those, but I'm going to let you guys go for another day. But I do say thank you for stopping by and checking me out on this series, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post up another video, which will be next week. And we've got a special thing happening if everything stays on schedule, happening next week, middle of the week. So hope you're there for that. Leave a comment down below. Put a like on the video if you would. And as far as comments down below, let me know what you think and if you have any ideas or suggestions. I do appreciate it, and we will see you again next time. Take care.